Hi and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be terraforming Europa and Io, two of Jupiter's moons, and this obviously takes place in the far future. So obviously he's Io and he's where's Europa? Here's Europa. They're doing pretty okay. Europa's frozen because I don't know, and the sun is massive right now. Sun's aged a lot. I think it's around 8 billion years old. Yeah, 8 billion years old. So it's lost a bit of its mass, but it's gained a lot of size and swallowed Mercury whole before going to 10 luminosities. It's very cold. From Celsius 727 degrees. Earth's doing alright. I don't know why. I guess it just takes place in the far future, but yeah, Earth, Mars, Venus would all be uninhabitable. And the only places that would be habitable would be Jupiter's moons, possibly Saturn's moons. And in the very far future, even further than this, when the sun's at its largest before it collapses into a white dwarf, maybe Uranus moons or Neptune's moons might be habitable. But that'll only be for a few million years before the sun collapses into itself. But anyway, let's start terraforming. So let's go to Europa. We'll start at Europa, which already has quite a lot of water in it. Quite cold. Uh, yeah. So all that really has to happen in Europa now is for the time to go by and it warms up. So I'll see you once it's warmed up. So now Europa has melted a bit. The only thing is its ice is incredibly thick. If you see here, its radius, we're gonna convert this kilometers. 574 kilometers around the outside before it goes down to 574 kilometers. I don't know why it's so weird, but it is very slowly melting. This will take many years to do, so what we're gonna do is just, do a quick life hack, real quick life hack. We're gonna crash the moon into it, because the moon totally just magically exists. We're gonna crush the moon down. What? Right, we're just gonna launch the moon gently. We're gonna crush the moon down to an incredibly small planet. So the moon has been converted into whatever it is now. It is a binary of Europa. Somehow it didn't crash in. Okay, it did crash into it, and here we have Europa, a lovely heated planet. And suddenly it's melting all its water because of its high temperatures. But once we cool it down, which you'll see in a second. So now we have Europa, very strange planet. This view isn't really wide, but yeah, you go up here, you see nice vegetation and shallower place. It went weird, but it's terraformed. Should be good enough for life. So let's go to Io. See. Now, the lucky thing about Io is if you go here and let's turn visualization for atmosphere off, it has developed the atmosphere, but it's incredibly cold because of the weird orbit. It has a 24.5-year orbit. I mean, it flies around here, comes back. So we're gonna have to shorten that orbit. So let's just pretend that asteroid of severe speed. So for example, this one just hits it. Let's pretend it's going faster than that. It hits it and it knocks its orbit. Right, welcome back. This is terraformed Io we see here. Now, how would we see this normal? Just put the flashlight on, and yeah, looks nice, beautiful, and all. It says a thin ice shield. Sadly, this won't last for long due to its weak mass. It is ejecting its atmosphere. You see, it's already lost quite a lot of surface pressure. So while Io is terraformed, this won't last for long. You see, as years go by, I mean, it really did is. will slowly eject its atmosphere, and all of its water will disappear too with it. You see, it's already doing it. It's lost all its water pretty quick. But yeah, this terraformed Io, all we have to do is just add the water back to it. So let's go now. This is terraformed Io. Obviously, it's only temporary. Should only last a couple of weeks, maybe a month before it goes away. But yeah, the thing I want to see is Europa again. So let's find Europa. Here is Europa. Perfectly fine. Nice. Alright. Decent. If you're wondering what happened to Earth, well, looks like it's still flying away from the solar system. I can't really find it. I'll look for Io, Sun, Star. Nah. Looks like it's too far away, probably been eaten by the sun or rejected. So yep, this is Terraform Europa and Io. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.